From stereotypes, we go on to prejudice. There is a big difference between stereotypes and prejudice, but stereotypes often lead to prejudice. Prejudice is a much stronger word, and it can be described as an irrational dislike or even a hatred of a group of people. And this will almost always lead to discrimination. Prejudice can be based on race, ethnicity, religion, language, gender, sexual preferences, or even disability. So when a person has prejudiced feelings about a certain group, they tend to take this out on individuals who they perceive as belonging to this group. This prejudice can be either overt, that means openly expressed, or concealed and hidden. But both ways this does lead to different types of discrimination, which will end up in inequality. So discrimination. As we said, prejudice is an attitude, but discrimination is the action. Discrimination means treating people differently due to certain characteristics or perhaps a membership to a particular group. Discrimination could be in the form of exclusion, unequal pay, lack of opportunities, and even in the provision of services. So, racism would be one type of prejudice or discrimination that is based on race. Race is a difficult concept to define. It's related to ethnicity, but when we talk about race, it's more of a social construct. It's based often on physical characteristics that people associate with a certain ethnic group or a certain cultural group. Racism is basically a discrimination that's perpetuated by a dominant group over a minority group.